Good morning, class. So we were discussing about the situation of the Indian economy on the eve of independence. Okay, what was the condition of Indian economy on the eve of independence when India got independence in 1947? So today we will discuss about the condition of the agriculture sector in 1947. Okay, so we can say low production and productivity. Okay, so production refer to the total output, while productivity refer to the output per hectare of the land. Both production and productivity were found to be extremely low on the eve of independence. ठीक है बेटा, production means how much you are producing and productivity means in a particular area like 1 hectare how much you are producing. So in both terms India was lagging behind. Okay, second one is high degree of uncertainty. Okay, so agriculture showed a high degree of uncertainty because it was excessively dependent upon rainfall. Good rainfall implied good output, while poor rainfall implied poor output. No efforts were made under the British rule to develop the permanent means of irrigation. Okay, here there was no artificial means of irrigation apart from natural raining. Okay, so the condition was very poor, very weak. Then dominance of subsistence farming. What is the meaning of subsistence farming? Which is done for the self consumption. Okay, so at that time farmer were only doing these things for their self consumption. There was no motive of selling these type of crop to the market. Okay beta, then fourth condition, land revenue system of Britisher. Okay, so we can say here the British government in India introduced a unique system of land revenue. It set up the triangular relationship among the government owner of the soil and tiller of the soil. This was popularly known as Zamindari system of land revenue. The distinct feature of this system were as the Zamindars were recognized as the permanent owner of the soil. The Zamindars were paid a fixed sum to the government as a land revenue, and the Zamindars were free to extract as much from the tiller of the soil as they could. This is very bad system in the Indian economy, which exploited the farmers or tillers of the soil at large extent. Okay beta, fifth condition we can say small and fragmented holding. So land holdings were both small as well as fragmented. Accordingly, most land holdings were uneconomic, yielding low output at high cost. Okay, beta. So these were some feature of the agriculture at the time of independence. Okay.